Hello everybody. So today we are going to make this puppy greeting card. This is actually an interactive card. So here you will pull the tongue and here you go, your puppy says peekaboo. How fun is it? See, again it says peekaboo. So I have made this as a greeting card. You can make it standalone as it is. I bet all the kids will love to play with it. This is actually a greeting card for my nephew. He is turning 10 years old in few weeks. I have made this as his birthday greeting card. And also I have painted something in the front as well. No. That's a surprise. So if you want to know what I have painted in the front of the greeting card, and there is also a story behind this puppy greeting card idea. So if you want to know that as well, then keep on watching. For today's project, we are gonna need some white papers, pencil, eraser, ruler, compass, scissors, acrylic color, sponge applicator, and if you don't have sponge applicator, a paintbrush will also do. Here I would like to mention one thing. Today when I'm doing this craft, it's lockdown in my area, so I couldn't go out and buy the colored papers I need for this craft. But if you guys have access to any store, I would definitely suggest you to go out and buy some colored sheets for this project. It will be much more easier that way. If you're gonna buy colored papers, you would need a blue colored paper, ochre yellow colored paper, red colored paper, a little bit of black colored paper, and white colored paper. This is gonna be the base for my card. This is an 11 by 5.5 inches sheet, and I had folded this in half. So now I'm gonna draw the puppy. Completed drawing the puppy. I have only drawn one side because we are going to have two copies for ears and eyes and use them in both the sides. Now I am going to take the other white sheet and cut the pieces out from here. The tongue, the face, two ears, the shade in the forehead, and the round pieces for the eyes and nose here. Now I'm gonna use acrylic color and paint the pieces. Hello. So you can see all the pieces are colored, and now it's time to assemble. Hi, this is voice over me. So while you guys are watching me putting all the pieces together, I thought, why don't I share the story behind the idea? You remember I told you there is a story behind it? So let's do it. You must have noticed I have drawn a particular pattern on the dog's head. So some of you might be wondering why I was drawing that particular shade. Guess why? Yes, you're right. I am referring to a particular puppy here. So I am actually making a particular puppy. Who is he? Let's get to the story. As I told you, my nephew is gonna turn 10 years old in few weeks. In our family, we all are animal lovers, and he turned out to be the same. Big surprise. So he wanted to adopt a puppy. Now we believe in adopting stray animals. We have been adopting stray cats, so many stray cats. So his parents adopted a stray puppy in their country house. My nephew has his grandparents over there, and they visit now and then very often. And for the puppy, it will be better to have more natural environment. He can run, play, and he can grow up there more naturally. So that was the idea behind adopting him over there in their country house. Now, this COVID-19 pandemic did get hit second time in India. Yeah, the second wave. And we are again in a lockdown. My nephew is so sad. I mean, he is kind of devastated. He finally got his puppy, and he was hoping that he will go and play with him and have fun with him. He'll spend time with him, but he cannot go out. We cannot move. We are stuck in our house again, and he is so sad. So that's why I thought, why don't I make his own puppy, greet him happy birthday? Yeah. So that was the idea behind this puppy greeting card. Did you guys like my idea? Please let me know in the comment below, and I'll let you know how my nephew reacted to see his own puppy greeting him happy birthday. Deal? Alright. So you guys continue watching. Oh, by the way, did you see my nail paint changed? Alright, continue watching. Now we are going to fix the face on the base. And I've also taken the ears apart and have fixed them together. It will help us to create the pull mechanism along with the tongue. Now we need to have a cut over here for the tongue, because it will come out from here, right? So we measure the tongue, mark the place, and I will need to have a cut. I have also measured the ears and folded them. Now we need to attach this part with the tongue over here. First I'll cut the rest of the piece down. Now I'll also take another piece of paper and fix all of this on that. Please remember, do not fix anything with the base paper because it needs to be free flowing. So do not fix anything with the base. This paper is just to give it a more reinforcement while the entire thing will be pulled down. So I will let it dry for a little bit and then we'll test. So here it is, guys. I have written the birthday wishes. I have written happy birthday on the ears, and I have written pool on the tongue. I have written it with red so that it doesn't look odd. And yes, the surprise, this is the cover of the card. So if you want to know how did I make it, then please comment below and I will upload the video. And there it is. Let's play with it once more. Peekaboo! So you can make it for your kid or any other kid you know. I would also suggest you to involve your kid while making this, and it can be a fun parent-child project. If you enjoyed today's video, please hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe. Please share it with your friends and family. See you in the next video. Bye bye.